Good morning students, welcome to your maths class. Today we will do the practice of statement sums also. One example in front of you. There are 150 toffees in one packet and 250 in another packet. How many toffees are there in all? So here in front of us there are three statements. First, toffees given in one packet, then toffees given, another packet toffees are given, and third we have to find out total number of toffees. So this is the sum of addition. How we can add it? Given number, this, more this, and then both we will add, we will get total. So what is given here? Given toffees are 150. So we will write the statement toffees in one packet equal to 150. Then under this we will write toffees in another packet, or you can write second packet. Packet is equal to 250. Now we will add it, then we will find total number of toffees. TOFFEES. Now we will add it. Firstly we will add ones place digit. 0 plus 0 remains 0, so ones are 0 here, and tens place digit is 5 plus 5 10. 10 tens means 100, so tens place we will write 0 and 100 place we will carry 1. Now 100 place digit we will add 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So what is the answer here? Total number of toffees are 400. Then you will write the answer also. Total number of toffees are 400. One more example in front of you. There are 1000 apples on first tree, 540 apples on the second tree, and 825 on the third tree. How many apples are there in all? Means one tree's apple are given, second tree apples are given, third tree apples are given, and we have to find out the total number of apples. It means here we have to add. This is the sum of addition. So now statement is clear to you. There are three statements. First tree apple given, second tree apple given, third tree apple given, and we have to find out total number of apples. Solution is given in front of you. Apples on first tree is equal to 1000. Apples on second tree is equal to 540. When we write 540, we will not write the digit from the left hand side. Keep in mind, whenever you will write the digit, you will start writing from the right side, from the ones place. Now apples on the third tree, again start writing from the ones place. Firstly ones at ones place 5, tens place 2, 100 place 8, and last is total number of, or you can write total apples, and you will add it here. Do the addition, and at the last you will write the answer. Total apples are 2365. Clear? So in this way we can do our exercise. Exercise 2D, first question in front of you. Solve the following sums. And question is, there are 230 small beads, 150 big beads in a necklace. How many beads are there altogether? Student, when all word is there, total word is there, altogether word is there, these all shows addition. It means in this question we have to add. And how we will write our statement? We will write the meaningful statement and short statement. See, in the statement sum there are some unnecessary statement is also there, long statement is there. When we do the solution, no need to write the full sentence. We can write only small sentence and meaningful sentence. So here we can write in this way: small beads is equal to 230, first statement. Second statement you can write beads big beads is equal to 150. We will not write use the word necklace, no need to write. Small beads is equal to 230, big beads is equal to 150, and third you will write total number of beads. Means number is given here, then more number is given, and we have to find out total. So first of all, before doing any sum, it should be clear in your mind that what we have to apply here. This is addition sum, subtraction sum, or multiplication or division sum. Now it is clear to us that it is addition sum. Second step, you have to think about the statement, how we will write the statement. It should be meaningful, it should be small also. So we will write this statement here, and we can write in this way: small beads is equal to 230, big beads is equal to beads, B-E-A-D-S, beads, 150. And now we will add it, and what we find here? Total number of beads. If it is not coming in one line, you can write under this. And now we will start our addition process. Ones place digit we will add 0, tens place digit 3 plus 5 8, hundred place digit 2 plus 1 3, and here is not space, but you will write at the end your answer, and answer statement should be there. Total number of beads are 380. Clear, student? See, this solution is in front of you here also. Small beads in the necklace 230, big beads in necklace 150, total beads you will add it here and it becomes 380. And see, if in your notebook, if it is there is not sufficient space, then you will skip the word necklace. You can simply write small beads this, big beads this. Okay. Now second question. In a library there are 420 Hindi books, 180 science books, and 730 English books. How many books are there in the library? So what you have to do here? Here again you have to do addition, because total books, how many books are in the library? Given number 420. Then more number science books this, then more English books this. We have to add these all, and we will write its short and meaningful statement also. And short statement will be Hindi books is equal to 420, science books is equal to 180, English book is equal to 730. This we will add. See the solution here. Hindi books in the library 420, science book in the library 180, English book in the library 730. While writing the digits, start writing from the right side. Firstly ones place digit, then tens, then hundreds. So firstly 0, then 2, then 4. Under this again ones place digit, tens place, 100, ones place, tens place, 100, and then we will add it. Next statement, last statement is total books in the library, and now we will start addition. 0 plus 0, it will be 0. Tens place digit we will add 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 3 13. 13 tens means 13 multiplied by 10, it will be 130. So tens place we will write 3 and 100 place 1 will be carried, because here tens are 3 and hundreds are 1. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7 13. So the answer is 1330, and at the end you will write the answer. Total number of books in the library are 1330. Now question 3. A sweet maker, a person who makes sweets for you. A sweet maker made 1575 laddus in the morning, 2150 laddus in the evening. How many laddus did he make altogether? It means total number of laddus you have to find out. Again, this sum is of addition, and you have to firstly, now you have to it is clear that it is the sum of addition. Now you will think about the statement, meaningful short statement. So you can write in this way: laddus in the morning is equal to this, laddus in the evening is equal to this, and third line, total number of laddus. See here, solution is given. If you are having space in the notebook, you can write this word also, laddus in the, because if I will write laddus in the morning, no sense, the statement doesn't become meaningful. So we can use laddu made in the morning. Laddu is equal to 1575. Laddus made in the evening 2150, and then we will add it, total laddus. We will start addition from the ones place side. Ones place 5 plus 0 5, tens place 7 plus 5 12, 1 carry. Now 100 place 5 plus 1 6 and 1 7, and 1000 place 1 plus 2 3. So total number of laddus are, then you will write your answer also. Total number of laddus made in a day is equal to 3725. Now question number 4. Question 3 I have explained you. Question 4. A shopkeeper had 925 eggs. He bought 1200 more. How many eggs he had now? What comes in your mind? A shopkeeper comes in your mind. He visualize in your memory. And what is he is having? He is having 925 eggs with him. He bought means he purchased, and he purchased how much? 1200. We will start writing from the ones place 0, 2 and 1000 place here 1. How many eggs he had now? He had more than 925 now, because 925 already he is having. So what we have to do here? We have to do addition. Solution in front of you. Shopkeeper had eggs 925. Eggs bought more, or you can write more eggs bought is equal to 0, ones place, tens place 0, 100 place 2, 1000 place 1, and last statement is total eggs, and now you will add it. At the end you will write the answer statement. Answer statement is total eggs with the shopkeeper are, what is the answer here? 2125. 2125. So at the end you have to write the answer also. Okay student, so your today's work is, I have explained exercise 2D, question 1, 2, 3 and 4. This you have to do in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.